Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to block the pop-ups that come on your website whenever you open your Safari. So the way that to do that, we need to open your setting and scrolling down until we found the Safari, and then you just need to go click the Safari section and scrolling down again. There will be bring you into the general option or general settings right here, and there will be like a block pop-up. So you just need to turn on this button, so whenever you try to find a website, those pop-ups is already blocked and restricted by the system. So basically that is the way how to block the pop-ups on your iPhone. Hopefully today's tutorial is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and hopefully you can leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notifications button to get more information about the iPhone tutorial. That's for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.